Hey everyone, my name is Luis Moraz and you are on the WebNox channel. Today we're going to talk about her, the Swedish queen that dances in factories all over the world. She is famous. She doesn't sing like ABBA, but if you work in the food industry, you've definitely danced with her. It is the SMS connection. And why SMS? SMS means Swedish Manufacturer Standard. She is not like Swedish. It is not a nickname. She was actually created by the Swedish Standards Institute. And she became very famous because she is easy to clean. She is easy to disassemble. So she became a world standard. Now, why does she dance so well in factories? The SMS is composed of 4 components: the sealing ring, the male SMS, the nipple, which goes with the nut. The nipple always has to go with the nut, okay? The nut that is welded to the tube, and the male part and the ring, the male part goes with the ring, okay? You fit the ring, it is simple, there is no difficulty at all. And you can fit it, and the closing can be done by hand. Specifically, you don't need any wrench to close it. What will happen is the following. Due to expansion in the line, dirt, the nut can get stuck. So what are you going to need to take it off? You are going to need a wrench, either an adjustable wrench or a fixed wrench. It doesn't matter, but you need a wrench to take it off. Not so much for putting it on. You won't have that problem. It is more for actually taking the nut off the line. One of the mistakes people make is confusing the SMS with the DIN connection. The SMS, I'm going to show you the differences here, especially in the male part, okay? The SMS male part, it has a straight part here. It has a straight part here and its profile is squared, okay? The sealing ring, it also has a square profile. The sealing ring, it has a square profile. As for the DIN, I have a DIN here to show as an example. The DIN, its internal part is conical. It is recessed here, it has a recess and is conical, and the ring, it has one part, a rounded part, and another flat part. Okay? The DIN, if you notice in the footage here, it has this recessed part and it is conical. It is a conical fit. So this is the DIN. People sometimes confuse the DIN with the SMS. Another thing that people also don't know, the vast majority don't know, is that the SMS, the standard only goes from 1 inch to 4. What happens sometimes in the market? There are people who make the 3/4 SMS, make the 1/2 inch SMS, and also the 5 inch SMS, the 6 inch SMS. What happens? It is not standardized. Usually when you go to buy a 5 and 6 inch SMS, it is better to buy the complete union, male part, nipple, nut, and ring. Because each manufacturer in the world, there are even some from China, and around the world they do it their own way, precisely because it is not standardized. In the past, the SMS was up to 3 inches. Nowadays, you have a standard where it goes from 1 inch to 4 inches. So you have to be smart about that. SMS is from 1 to 4, 5 and 6, 3/4. And 1/2 inch is a workaround. So that is it, everyone. Today we talked about her, the SMS connection, this Swede that is so famous in the food industries, the beverage industry, the dairy industry. She is as famous as ABBA on Spotify. Get in touch with us. Did you like it? Subscribe to the channel. It is very important that you subscribe to the channel. It helps our work. It helps to spread the word about stainless steel connections. All right? There is a lot of good stuff coming. There is already a lot on the channel. Just look for it. Big hug and see you in the next video.